Hi guys, I'm back. I'll wait a few minutes before I start my session today, which is on home organizers. Like you can see all these elements around me. I can see some people joining in. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and I'm live with all of you on Amazon Live. Oops, let me just wait a few minutes before I start completely. I can just see some numbers going up and then I kind of start this particular live. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. आपने मुझे बहुत बार देखा है on television. I'm an actor, I'm an influencer, and these days I have been doing lives with Amazon and I'm completely enjoying it. Hi Goldie, hi Manoj. And yes, before I start this live, I just want more and more people to join in, and I'm just waiting a minute more before I can start my chatter. Hi Anurag. And then we will talk about home organizers. I've got some really interesting products यहाँ पे मेरे सामने है, मेरे साइड में है, मेरे पीछे है, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. It's all from Amazon. Speak in Tamil. I will speak in Hindi and English, so it's a mix, so you get the best of both. Because sorry, I don't know Tamil, so yeah, I'll try to stick to English. Manoj, hi Rahul. So yes guys, hi, I'm Pranita Pandit and I'm live with you on Amazon, and we are going to be talking about home organizers. Yes. So what do you want me to start with? Because मेरे पास बहुत सारे elements हैं. Like I've got some section of trays, some organizers, some beautiful things for your home, and I will talk about the detailing. Happy Raksha Bandhan, Anurag. Detailing about the product, how I got them, my experience, and we are going to have a lot of fun. Now that I'm sitting here, I'm sure मेरे right hand side में you can see this beautiful Buddha sitting, and it's right from here, and I'm just gonna click on it and you can just check it out. So अभी आपके highlights में ये आ गया होगा. You can just see my product list नीचे. Thank you. I actually feel that it is a great initiative that Amazon has taken, and people like me, we love sharing what we love, and I love sharing all the love that I have. So for beauty, for fashion, for home products, ये सारे जो products आप नीचे देख रहे हैं, they have been specially picked by me, and I am like quite keen to tell you guys about it. So let's start with our first product. So here you go. ये है एक beautiful monk / बुद्धा की मूर्ति, which you can see very closely. इसकी detailing, it's on my highlight here. I can see it's on a 47% off, and it's only for say 1,600, and honestly you just place it anywhere, it looks beautiful. It's a golden view ka Gautam Buddha, and they have a lot of other collection too. You can check it out and let me know how you like it. If you're looking for a beautiful piece for your house, then this is the one. I'm going to keep him in frame, not because of anything, because I am sure बहुत से लोग later join करेंगे and they would like to see him. So yes, here he is. He's my first pick, and I am totally in love with this. If you see the detailing, look, it is very rustic. It's really nice, and yes, you can clearly add it to your cart, and I would be happy too, because it's one of my favorite, so I would love to share it. So yeah, that was my first pick. It's rather heavy and it's beautiful, so it is genuine, it is nice, it does not look cheap. In fact, it looks really classy. So this is my first pick, which is a Buddha statue that I have got myself from Amazon. Right now, can I corner table at a reasonable price? Yes, you can get a corner table at a very reasonable price, and there are lots of it there available on Amazon, and you can check it out. In fact, some products जो मैं अभी share करने वाली हूँ, you can check out the brands and check out their listing. They also have tradable products. So hang on with me, stay with me. हम बात करेंगे बहुत सारे home organizers की. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and I am live with you on Amazon and we are talking about home organizers. So yes, this is not exactly a home organizer, but it's a beautiful piece for your house and I wanted to start with him. So yes, there he is. If you want to see closely, you can check him out. He's beautiful and I love him. So yes, this one is there and it's only there for 1600 bucks. In fact, they have other options too. अगर आपको कोई और color combination चाहिए, you can check it out and you will find it on Amazon. So yes, hi Satish, hello Koda, and now let's move to something more interesting, and actually everything here is interesting. So also let's talk about this. This is a vase. I have just highlighted it. You can check it out. It's a Natchman ka crystal vase. So that's why it's expensive. You can see the height of the statue. I cannot tell you exactly the height of the statue, but see, like if you compare it, it's just this much. It's a tiny statue, so it's not like too big. I can pick it up and I can hold it, so you know. I don't know the centimeters, to be very honest. You can check it out. Amazon के जब आप link पे click करेंगे, you will get all the height का, inches and centimeters, everything. So you will know how exactly it's going to fit in your house. But I can just give you an estimate that this is how big it is and this is where he goes. And like I have highlighted my second product, which is a crystal vase, which I am totally in love with. I've got, a lot of people don't buy. बहुत से लोग सोचते हैं कि expensive products पता नहीं genuine होंगे कि नहीं होंगे. Let me tell you, there is a way where you can actually figure out कि ये genuine है कि नहीं है. Just go to your whole listing and just see the number of stars and reviews. The reviews talk a lot about the product, about the quality of product. In fact, जब भी मैं जो भी product feature करती हूँ, I kind of always read the reviews. I see how many stars it has. And look at this beautiful vase. It's a crystal vase, which I have got myself from Amazon. You can just see the reflection. It looks stunning. It's just on side of your table, on your dining table. It just adds so much value, and trust me, it's not very expensive. It's even a very good gift. किसी को आपको gift देना है, you're going for a wedding, अभी रक्षाबंधन आ रहा है. There's so many festivals that are going on, and I think it's a fabulous gift to give. In fact, if I would have loved if somebody had gifted me such a beautiful vase, क्योंकि बहुत बार हम सोचते हैं कि हम क्या दें and we are confused कि ओ ये अच्छा है, and then you figure out a piece like this, which is a no-brainer और ये अच्छा ही होगा. So yes, it's nice. I am not, Rehan has asked me about a study table, guys. So I don't have a study table right here to show, but then there are a lot of study tables that are available on Amazon, and today I'm talking about home organizers. So let me I've just picked out my favorite picks. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. I can see the numbers go up. I know a lot of you are joining. So we have spoken about a Buddha statue. We have already spoken about this particular beautiful vase from Natchman. It's authentic, it's pure crystal, and it is at a great price. Plus the reviews say it all. So yes, these are my first two picks. And ज़्यादा time waste नहीं करते. Let's kind of move on from here and get into here with me on Amazon, and this is the one. It's a beautiful candle. It's a Infi Space candle. So guys, check it out. सबसे amazing बात है इस candle में that you can just kind of click it and the light goes on. I don't know if you can see it because there's too much light, but it has beautiful light. You can see it now. Yeah, and it has 2-3 modes in which you can keep the light on constant. You can switch it off. I've put the battery here. You can just place it inside एक अच्छे से bowl में and you can just let it be. It looks like a real candle. It lasts really long. और इसके बारे में एक tip देना चाहूँगी मैं आपको is that when you're not using this candle and you want it to last long, please kind of just take out the battery and keep it on the side. The candle is beautiful, Anurag, and you're absolutely right because I love it. In fact, a lot of my friends had come home and they saw this, I put it in the vase and I'd kept it, and they saw it and they're like, oh my god, ye kya hai? मैंने कहा, these are some candles that I've ordered from Amazon because they look absolutely real and स्पेशली व्हेन यू हैविंग अ पार्टी इन द हाउस, तब आपको हमेशा लगता है कि अरे ये कैंडल खत्म तो नहीं हो जाएगा, क्या करना है. दैट इज द टाइम यू गो फॉर समथिंग लाइक दिस. Like you can put some real candles. Rest, you can just place multiple of these. It's available on a great price. Here it is. It has a 4-star. People have reviewed it. It is also on a 14% off. So yes, this is the candle. This is how it looks. It looks absolutely natural. And that's the light. Yeah, I've switched it on a flickering mode because I like that little thing, but you can even keep the light constant. So ऐसा नहीं है कि ये फ्लिकर हो रहा है, so there's something wrong with it. It's just the mode that it is on. So yeah, this is the candle. I'm glad you like it, Anurag, and a lot of you can check it out. I've just highlighted it. They are available in different sizes also. मेरे पास बड़ा वाला भी है, छोटा भी है. So as per your need, you can kind of just switch on and switch it off and you are good to go. Please take out the batteries. Don't keep the batteries hanging in there, because like any other gadget, if you keep the batteries in the gadget for really long, it gets spoiled because battery leak hone lag jati hai. So it is very important that we keep it that way. Now let's move ahead and hi guys, let's move ahead. I can just see all my chats. हिंदी में बोलने में तकलीफ हो रही है? बिल्कुल भी नहीं तकलीफ हो रही है जी, बहुत अच्छे से हिंदी आती है. इनफैक्ट आई एम फ्रॉम नॉर्थ इंडिया, सो माई हिंदी इज़ रियली cool. And agreed, Anurag, this is a really good candle. ये बहुत अच्छा कैंडल है for a dinner table as well. इसमें sizes बड़े हैं, तो you can just place 3-4 साथ में and switch it on and you're set for your candlelight dinner. So yes, thanks Anurag. And let's move ahead to our new item. So ये पूरा session है guys about home organizers, and I am Pranita Pandit here with you on Amazon Live, and I'm talking about home organizers. So let's move to some interesting stuff. Now there are these multiple trays that I've got for you in all varieties. It's in jute, we have one in plastic, we have different varieties, and I'm going to talk about each one of them. So if right now you guys are looking for a tray that you want to keep to organize things, be it your dining table, be it your kitchen, be it your toilet, or just near your wardrobe to kind of fill it up, I would say this is the one. Firstly, let me show it to you. It has a rotating top, so it's really nice and cool, because sometimes you're sitting on this side and the other person's sitting on that side and you want something, and all you need to do is rotate it and pick whatever you like. It's plastic material. इसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स भी अवेलेबल है. आई हैव हाईलाइटेड द ब्लैक वन, देयर इज अ वाइट वन, एंड बोथ आर स्टनिंग. यू कैन सी इन पिक्चर्स हाउ दे हैव काइंड ऑफ put all their things in it and how it looks. So yes guys, this is the one that I personally really like, and yeah, this is one of my picks from Amazon. It has a 4.5 rating and 156 people have reviewed it. Plus right now it is on a 63% off guys. So 63% off, it's like literally a deal. Is it sturdy? It's absolutely sturdy. See, it's not shaky, it's just I put it here and it's sturdy. It's proper, it's sturdy, Suman, and it is really nice. You can get the black one, you can get the white one, whichever color you prefer according to your decor, but it is a very important element. In fact, I love the fact बहुत सारे ऐसे ट्रेज मिलते हैं, पर इसमें सबसे खास बात ये है कि ये रोटेट होता है, तो it is very comfortable and sturdy है. It is proper, like if you see, it's light and it's sturdy. It's like I can pick it up in one hand, so it's like super light, it's sturdy, and it looks very nice. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत sturdy है, and the price is even better. You can just see it's for 220. It's on a 63% off. It's not only me, 156 people are also vouching for this item, and that's how I ordered it, and I love it. I love what I've got. So yeah, this is one of my picks that I really like for your home, which you can consider. And it is a very useful table product. Like I said, you put your candles on the side and you put something like this with, you can even put fruits in it, you can put your sauces in it, you can actually even put it on your wardrobe area on a side, and you can just have it. So it looks amazing, and it is nice. So Thank you. I'm glad you guys like it. So let's move to another item, which is जो हम सबके पास घर में होता है, but because we are talking about trays, I love this one. And here I'm going to mark it for you. It is on a 56% off and it has a 5-star rating again. And this is the Shining Star nice tray. It's a wooden tray. It's very sturdy. It has these knobs if you see, so you know it's not going to be like. It's perfect. It's really nice. This is how it looks and it's sturdy as hell. It's proper wooden tray. इसमें भी बहुत सारे different color shapes sizes के आपको trays मिलेंगे. So like I said, that one I've shown you in plastic, which is a rotating one. This is a very simple one. Actually, if you ask me, मैं कहाँ use करती हूँ इसे? I use it in my wardrobe area to put all my coffee and sugar and all these things. It's a very solid tray. Yes, Shumam, it's quite like no, you can't get. I can get. Of course, you can get it. It's here. Don't listen to Aman. Shumam, it's a very it's nice right here. You see in my product list. You can be able to see it, and this is the one. So yeah, guys, this is another tray that I personally like, and I wanted to review it and tell you about it. I love the color. I like the authentic look, so I prefer it. So these are 2 trays that I've shown you, and both are really nice as per me. So let's move ahead with more stuff when it comes to just putting all your things together. So let me check out some chats also. Yeah, Shubham, I think you can just go and buy it right away. It's on a 56% off. You don't have to think about it. It's a no-brainer. It's just for $400. और बहुत अच्छा डील मिल रहा है अभी Amazon में. इनफैक्ट आपको पता ही है कि Amazon का ग्रेट freedom sale is on, festival season sale is on, and you can just get amazing deals on everything on Amazon. In fact, बहुत सारे products हैं जो मेरे list में हैं which are on the Freedom Festival sale, and you can just go check it out, and it's really nice. Thank you so much. Let's move ahead to more trays. I have listed them. Here there is. It's not a tray exactly, but it is again a part of a organizer. So hi Suma, this is a really nice session. I just came across while. Yeah, thank you. No, I am unfortunately not giving any reviews on YouTube as of now. But yes, you can always follow me on Amazon, and you can see my last videos. I've done multiple lives with them. This is my 4th live. So thanks, Suman. And this is again a beautiful piece that you can have in your home, in your bedroom, and you can just keep it in your wardrobe area. It could just be in your makeup shelf. In fact, side table के लिए ये perfect है. Also, you can multi-use it. You can put some nice small plants in it and look gorgeous actually, because this is that typical jute. See, this I've just marked it here. It has a 4-star rating. It's on a 59% off, guys. So it is an amazing deal that you are getting, and you should just consider this. So like I said, I've shown you one wood one, I've shown you one plastic one, and then this one is a soft one. It's a jute nice bag. Jute is one of my favorites when it comes to home decor and home organizing. So yes, this is one of those things that you can just keep on the side, and it looks very classy. It's a very good gift also. It's only for $289, and all your clips, your clutches, especially for people like us who have lots of that, and just keep it in it, and you can find it, because there it is. This is good. Yes. So now let's move ahead. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit, and today I am talking about home organizers. So things that you can use in your house to organize things a little more better. Storage से related, कुछ अच्छे trays, कुछ अच्छे showpieces, some things that will add value to your house and is also value for money. तो ये था मेरा 4th or 5th pick. So check it out. It's a jute nice bag. Okay, now I'm going to move ahead and I'm going to talk about some more tray type material. Let me look. the cutting edge plastic tray. So this one is again for you guys, and this is actually for my bathroom. I would prefer it for the bathroom. आप इसको कहीं पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मैं हिंदू में बोलूँगी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है हिंदी में बोलने में ऋतु. सो लाइक यू रिक्वेस्टेड, हमने बहुत सारे टाइप के ट्रेज डिस्कस किए हैं. दिस वन, ये है जूट का, ये है प्लास्टिक का. इसमें आप अपने टॉवल्स रोल करके डाल सकते हैं अपने बाथरूम में एंड इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. दैट्स हाउ आई यूज़ इट. और इसमें बहुत सारे साइजेस भी अवेलेबल है. In fact, it has a 4.5 star. It is on a 43% discount. आपको मिल रहा है ये. And ये red color is just wow. So ये था and I have मैंने कुछ और भी trays discuss किए हैं, जैसे कि wooden tray आप मेरे list में देख सकते हैं. You can also see one nice rotating plastic tray ऋतु, which is also a very good organizer. जो मैंने personally use किया हुआ है वही मैं recommend कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. तो ये है वो प्लास्टिक ट्रे. तो पानी से इसको कुछ नहीं होगा, कलर कुछ नहीं जाता. आई बीन यूजिंग इट बहुत टाइम से. सो इट्स डूइंग रियली वेल. इट्स अ ग्रेट लुक. प्लस इट्स ओनली फॉर 315 एंड अभी तो इस पर डिस्काउंट है 43%. मैंने आई थिंक ज़्यादा मैं ऑर्डर किया था. सो आई एम लाइक अभी अमेजोन का ग्रेट फ्रीडम सेल इज़ ऑन. So yeah, you're getting everything पे सब चीज़ों पे बहुत amazing deals. So check it out. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and today I am talking about home organizers. So yeah, अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और products के बारे में बात करते हैं जिससे पहले हम time lose कर दे. So yeah, ये एक tray, ये सारे आप check out कर सकते हैं मेरी listing में नीचे and उसके बारे में पढ़े ज़रूर. बिकॉज हमेशा अमेजोन से कुछ भी मैं जब लेती हूँ आई ऑलवेज रीड द रिव्यूज़, सी द स्टार रेटिंग्स, रीड अबाउट द ब्रांड एंड तब मैं खरीदती हूँ. तो एक और चीज़ है जो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. इट इज़ ऑन, इट्स द डील ऑफ द डे. तो यू डोंट इवन हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट. मैंने अभी यहाँ पे हाईलाइट किया है. इट्स द हाउस ऑफ क्वर्क स्टोरेज एंड इट इज़ वेरी क्वर्की और ये बहुत काम आता है. स्पेशली हाउ आई यूज इट, आई टेल यू इज दिस. ये कोलैप्सिबल है. You get अंदर इसके I don't know about mobile phone offers, we are talking about home organizers. तो इसके अंदर ये it fits like this and it becomes rock solid. ये इसका पूरा सेट मैंने ऑर्डर किया था for my daughter's room and I love it because मैं इसमें सारे like you can see a stain because मैं इसमें सारे medicines उसके बॉटल स्टोर करती हूँ और एक पूरा कॉर्नर बनाया हुआ है. In fact, this is very good for the wardrobe. आप अपनी अलमारी में भी इसे रख सकते हैं in the drawer and उसमें you can keep everything like अच्छे से उसको organize करके आप रख सकते हो for your clothes, for her. I remember her being born and तब मैंने ये सारे organizers order किए थे क्योंकि I wanted to make more space. नहीं तेजस, it is not washable. Please, like you can see this is cardboard, so you can't wash it but you can clean it. And इसका पूरा सेट मिलता है and it's very cheap right now. So 72% off. Like how many are you getting? You're getting like 6 pieces and yeah. So ये basically wardrobe के लिए आप I would prefer. और else जैसे साइड टेबल में अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे मेडिसिन हैं या छोटे छोटे बॉटल्स हैं या बच्चे के कुछ सामान हैं देन उसके लिए इट इज़ अ ग्रेट बाय. एक्चुअली जो प्रिंट है वो बहुत अच्छा है. color looks nice, it's very classy. रखा भी होगा तो ऐसा कुछ odd नहीं लगता. You can put it in your wardrobe also, you can put it outside. It is very nice. If possible, please leave instructions to find videos. Yes, I think you just have to follow me on Amazon where मेरे जो previous lives हैं वहाँ पर आ सकते हैं. And what is the tray durability? Are you talking about this? This is not a tray, this is an organizer. देखो honestly मैं इसे almost 2.5 years से यूज़ कर रही हो तो of course it's portable. It is portable and you get it in big sizes and you get it on small sizes. तो as per your need you can just get it. In fact wardrobe में तो बहुत important है because वरना everything is just falling off. तो just to organize it and keep it all together, something like this is great. So yeah, this is again one of the organizers that I love. In fact अभी quickly मैं आपको एक product के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ which I don't have here with me but I would highly recommend it. Is this one. Go check it out. It's on my link. It's listed and it's a wardrobe rack. I think it is gorgeous. Actually मैं ये studio में लाके I'm going to buy this and I'm going to put it here in the studio बिकॉज मैंने इसके पास कुछ 817 रिव्यूज़ हैं एंड इट लुक्स गॉर्जियस एंड इट हैज़ 4 stars, so I know it is a good product to buy. But I am then one of the sessions of home we are gonna target this one. So yes, now let's move to other things that I've got, which is in home organizing. One thing which is mandatory, which all of us should have, is this. Let me mark it for you. It is right now on a 76% off. Are you kidding me? It's like an amazing offer. And here it is. These are for all your pills. अगर आप अभी स्टोर पे जाओगे ना and you buy it from a regular store, you will not get this for less than 350 bucks. That I can assure you. यहाँ पर it's on a 76% off and it's only for 119 rupees, guys. I have like 3 of these because mom, dad, you know, and Aisha, I just kind of keep all their medicines जो you know how parents are, भूल जाते, दवाई खाना भूल गए. How do you track it? So the best thing is कि हफ्ते में एक बार बैठो, सारे medicines properly organize करो, उनके हाथ में दे दो and then just keep checking morning, noon, night, backup. So backup रखना ज़रूरी है because you know sometimes they kind of miss it or they're like, oh, gir gaya. So this is a must. It's a very nice one. There are 85 people who have reviewed it. It has a 4 star. It's on a 76% off and I think it's a great home organizer. So yeah, check it out. I've highlighted it. Buy it now. You'll never get it for 120 bucks. That's for sure. So yes, this one is also one of my picks. Things that I use from Amazon. Here, my grandma needs this. I think everybody's grandma needs it. I think even we need it. Why do we even target always kids or old people? I think हमारे लिए भी ना it is a must to have it क्योंकि it just makes life very easy. तो इसलिए this is a must and right now it's on a deal so you don't have to think about it. Amazon का great Freedom Festival का I think today is the last day, guys. So what are you waiting for? Today is the 10th. So yes, this is the one and let's move ahead with more stuff that you know you can use to organize your house. And I'm gonna put this on the side and make more space for more things that are coming up. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and I'm on Amazon Live and today we are talking about home organizers. Downsize of the pillow organizer makes you realize how to... Life is not depressing. We all have some issues. Relax. It's fine. You know, it's just we have to take some supplements as well, right? So it's good. It's good. That's nothing. There's no downside. Everything has a downside. So it's okay. Chill. Let's move to this one right here. This is again a must and it has made my life really easy. This is the one. ये है. Hi Sumit. So this is a shoe organizer. Look at this. You can put 2 pairs of shoes in this. The zip is amazing. And आप जैसे आप travel कर रहे हैं या gym जा रहे हैं, you don't want to carry your whole bag. You can just buy a shoe bag like this and carry it. It looks very classy. Side में भी घर पे आपके जूते रखे होंगे तो it will not look like ये क्या रखा हुआ है. तो yeah, it looks cool. 2 pairs of shoes easily, sometimes 4 इसमें fit आ जाता है. 799 people have reviewed this product. You know it is a good product. Plus it has 45% off. What are you waiting for? सबको अपने shoes अच्छे से रखने चाहिए. Like you know, I like to really take care of my shoes and my things. So the only way to do it is if you kind of organize your house properly. Thank you Sikundu. And ये है one of my picks, shoe organizer. जो इज़ वेरी यूजफुल. शूज़ की बात कर रहे हैं तो साड़ी की भी बात कर ही लेते हैं आई थिंक, है ना. सो नेक्स्ट दैट इज़ कमिंग अप इज़ द साड़ी बैग्स विच आई हैव रियली यूज्ड. व्हाई आई टेल यू, क्योंकि हम साड़ी इतनी पहनते नहीं है ना, तो जब भी ओकेजन होता है यू वांट कि अच्छे से आपकी साड़ियाँ रखी और आपको सेम कंडीशन में मिले. सो कैन वी टेक इट इन एब्सोल्युटली. मैं तो अपने शू रैक में भी शूज़ हमेशा शू बैग में डाल के रखती हूँ. सो इट्स नॉट, in fact, before I move to the sari wala segment, let me just show you something which is here, which is water resistant and this one is really quirky. Shoe bags. So you have your shoe bags also that are I think very important and you should get. So yeah, these are just regular shoe bags that you can just buy off from any place, and you know that it's gonna just take care of your shoes. It's bags like these, water resistant hair. It's perfect. You kind of just put it together and yeah, put your shoes in it. So these are the shoe bags. Of course it's crinkled because my shoes are in it, and I have lots of these, and it works really well. Shoe rack में आप shoe bags में डाल के रख सकते हैं, because you asked me, Anurag, you can get a bag like this. It's a laundry bag basically. It has a multiple purpose, but I have here marked like a shoe bag, and this is it. Oh my god, अभी मुझे एक बैग दिख रहा है which is on a deal. It's in the deal of the day and it's on my list, और मैंने ऐड किया है और मेरे पास वो चीज़ यहाँ पर है. So I am going to show you another great organizer which works really well. Is this one. It's a gym bag which I bought from Amazon, क्योंकि मुझे actually में gym bags proper कहीं भी नहीं मिल रहे थे. So I was literally looking everywhere, and फिर मुझे ये product मिला. मैंने इसके reviews पढ़े, rating देखी, and I love the style and design, and बहुत सारे colors में available है. I've put the orange one here, and I have got myself the blue one. So I'm going to get up for this one, and I'm going to show you this properly. Okay guys, this is how this bag looks. It has multiple zips. एक यहाँ पर है, ये एक बीच का बड़ा space है, so 2. Then here you've got like 2 spaces for shoes and one more thing. So this is for your shoes. You can just put it here. You see the zip here. I think something is here. Oh, another box, another organizer. So yes. Oh, I've just taken it out. Oh, this is for swimming. I use it for swimming. This is my swimming bag, my gym bag, my everything. This is what happens, when you get actual things, चीज़ों में से चीज़ें निकलने लग जाती है. So yeah, this is a great gym bag. It is on deal of the day, guys. Amazon का sale भी on है, and yes, this is a tried and tested piece. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit, and we are talking about home organizers. Organize your home and organize your life. I think when things are little systematic, ना हर चीज़ें अपनी जगह पे हो और properly placed हो, life becomes easy. So it's very, very important, guys. So this is one bag which has multiple pockets. 1, 2, here 3, 4. One specially for the shoe, and एक और है जो specially for किसी को कोई questions इसके बारे में please. So yeah, here. Wow, thank you. This is here, and yeah. Nice. So yep. This is a gym bag that I love, और आप अपने लिए ले सकते हो. In fact, मुझे gift करना हो किसी को, किसी लड़की को, तो I would really love to give something like this, like my brother. I would love to gift him this, because I know it's going to really make his life easy. It is on deal of the day. There is a nice orange that is available. There are other colors also that is available. So yes, I'm sure you guys are going to really enjoy it. I can really see the numbers go up also, और बहुत मजा आ रहा है इस live में, because I actually didn't know कि हम home organizers के बारे में इतनी बातें कर सकते हैं और ये कितना important है. Like once I started taking out the products कि मुझे कौन कौन से products showcase करने हैं आपको, I had so many, like literally 38 are on my list. आप प्लीज जाके उन सबको check out करिए. ये सारे used, tried and tested है. So अब हमारे पास time भी थोड़ा सा कम है, so I'm going to rush up with everything. Maximum चीज़ें जो मैं आपको दिखा सकती हूँ, I'm going to talk about it. And कुछ miss हो गया तो I'm sorry. We will cover it in the next live. So yeah, here you go with that one, and now I'm going to move to this one. This is also a very important one. I was looking for something like this. ये bathroom organizer है basically, या kitchen में या कहीं पे भी आप डाल सकते हो. I've used it personally. बहुत amazing है. It's on a 61% off. Wrought iron का है, white है, and you just hang in and you can put all your bottles and everything here, and yeah. Nice. This is a really nice one. It's one of my top picks, and I use it in the bathroom. You can use it in the kitchen. You can use it anywhere, and it's a really good one. आप देख सकते हो. The best part is this, so you can just hang it उल्टा सीधा टेढ़ा बेड़ा भी लग जाता है properly, and use it. So this is a must in your house. You guys don't have to think. It's only for $349. It's on a 61% off. It has a 4-star just go for it. Now let me run and talk about a product जिसको मैंने कल ही assemble किया है, and I have loved it, like truly loved it. So I'm gonna be talking about this product that I'm gonna mark. Oh my god, there's so many products. I just hope I don't miss out on anything, guys. Let me look for it. वो पहले था, and I have just okay, साड़ी बैग के बारे में तो रहेंगे. चलो साड़ी बैग, please keep hanging. We're gonna talk about साड़ी bags also. This is the one. It's the Innovera cosmetic organizer, and I have it here with me. So I'll take this out right now. I'm gonna showcase it. So basically, ये आया था packed, you know, in a small पतले से box में, and I was like ये क्या है? And I have to assemble it. और मुझे लगा कि oh god, अब ये assemble वाली चीज़ें ना मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, but ये इतना easy था क्योंकि वो आपको मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ अभी कि इतना easy क्यों था. Because these are these hooks. ये मैंने जानबूझ के assemble नहीं किया है अभी क्योंकि I'm going to do it in front of you with these nails and show you how easy it is. And so there is one tray here, दो पतले trays यहाँ पर. You just have to fix it on top of each other. It is again rotating. So this is it. And जैसे भी आपको यहाँ पर ये चाहिए, अगर आपको इस लेवल पे चाहिए, so you just have to put it here और ये अटक जाता है. Amazing बात ये है that you can actually kind of, you know, put it where you want to. If you have a tall bottle जिसको इतना space चाहिए, you can put this tray here. You can even remove the tray. There are 4 trays that come with it here, and it's very, very easy to fix, guys. So how easy it is to fix, I'll show you. These are the rubber bands you get. You get like 16 of these. 8 I have already put on these hooks. So आपने ये देखा जहाँ पे मैंने hook किया, wait, ये है जहाँ पे ये hook आया, right? So यहाँ पर ये hook है. Oops. Sorry. I'm going to take this one and do it for you. I just kind of without locking it. So you have to just lock it, like you have to just lock it here. And it's very easy to lock. ये रहा आपका, you know, छोटा सा rubber band that you get. And where is my, here it is. So here it is. It's all black, right? And I think they have it in other colors also. It's a very nice product, Abhishek. You can see how easy it is. And I have locked it. And this is locked. Now I'm going to lock it from here with this. I wanted to do this because I just kind of thought कि सबको लगेगा कि oh my god, ये dismantled है, इसको organize कैसे करेंगे, कैसे लगाएंगे. तो please इस rubber band, ये छोटा सा rubber band है. So it's very easy. The fact that with nails I'm just doing it with so much comfort in front of you, you can imagine कि what a joke it is. So yeah, ये रहा, and I have fixed it. 2 hooks हैं, मैं देख भी नहीं रही उसकी तरफ, and I'm doing it. So you can imagine अगर आप देख के करोगे तो कितनी जल्दी हो जाएगा. तो ये रहा इसका hook, and I'm going to just hook it up. Yeah, it's done. So it's very, very sturdy, and it's here, and it stays, and it's beautiful. This is how it is. मैं अभी ये चारों लगा दूंगी फटाफट. That's why I wanted to cover this product because only 4 trays. Yeah, only 4 trays. You don't need more. और उसको आप ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं as per your need. इतने सारे trays का करोगे क्या? So like I'm gonna put this one here because I'm gonna put some brushes there. So yeah, and locking it is super simple. I don't think you need more than 4 trays actually, maybe. So it's always better to, you know, organize it properly. And it is very sturdy. It's not that it is not sturdy. So ये है आपका एक product जो मेरा one of my favorite picks है from today's session. Like, you know, I was like, okay, I'm going to put this, that here, and I'm going to show it to you. Or who's asking me this question? Wait. Oh, you know, when I'm talking, I'm not focusing also. कल मैंने इतने आराम से ना टीवी देखते देखते सब फिक्स कर दिया था. Yeah, this is another one that you can put here. 2 are done. This one to go. And enough for there. So guys, this is the Innovera cosmetic organizer, and it is beautiful, and it is very, very useful. And I think it's useful for all, guys. So yeah, I fixed my trays. all 4 sections are done, and if I waste more time on only one product, बिल्कुल हो पाएगा मुझसे. क्या मतलब अभी लाइव में I have put 3 trays in front of you, 1 is left. What are you talking? With nails भी हो पाएगा. मैंने ही लगाया है इसे मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. So that is why I'm doing this, and like you can see, this is how it is. I'll take out some brushes and I'm going to put for you. Like I like to stuff it up with brushes or my lipsticks. I can just put it here. ऊपर यहाँ पे भी जगह है. So you can just put stuff like this here. And कुछ खड़े रखना है तो you can just make it stand, and it's a beautiful buy. So even lipsticks you can put here. I love to organize my wardrobe area with this, and it is really really useful and nice. So yes, let's check this one out. You have to keep the rubber bands properly, guys. So 4 रह गए, and they have some extra ones. So this is how it looks. It's a rotating one. It's a beautiful piece. And before I just keep talking about this particular product, I'm going to miss out on time and not be able to talk about so many other things जो मैं लेकर आई हूँ. ये different colors में भी available है. 2,227 people have reviewed it and loved it. So it's not only me, a lot of people have loved it. You can check it out. It is for $750, which is nothing in my eyes for a product like this, because this will really really make your life very easy. And yeah, ऊपर भी there are sections that you get, and there are these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 compartments that you get. You can adjust the size as per your need. It is very very easy to assemble. It doesn't take a lot of your time, and it will look really nice and classy on your wardrobe area on the side or on anything. And yeah, that's one of my favorite tips and picks actually. And now I'm going to talk about one zipper. Actually it's on the deal of the day, and वो zipper पीछे है. Yeah, I don't know what is happening here. So it is $916. It's 13% off, and there you go. Here is the snap locker, and I love it. ये अभी अभी आया है. It's amazing for a back present. It's amazing for a gift. It's a really really nice zipper that I personally really like, and Ravidad is a great company, honestly. And just look at it. This is the zipper. Look at the pink and yellow, and you just have to click a button, and this is how it goes. So the actual price of this zipper, if you see here, is how much? $1,099, and right now you are actually getting it for $960. It's on the deal of the day. So आप क्या सोच रहे हो? Pick up this cutie for your cutie. And Ravidad is a company that I have vouched for. I've used all their products. Their insulating stainless steel zipper is also something that I have. And now saying that, I can just see the sari bag pop up in front of me, and I am going to talk about it because I don't want to miss it. So here you go. This is the one. Here I'm marking it for you, and it is on a 25% off, and all the sari bags are on all deal of the day offer. It's 28% actually. It's only for 251 rupees. Like I said कि हम क्योंकि इतनी साड़ियाँ नहीं पहनते, it's very important for us to keep them properly. And look at this. It's a very nice silky material. It's shiny. It's nice. इसमें आप थोड़े से those patches or something that you can put for humidity जो absorb कर ले, and you can put your expensive nice sarees in it, and it's good. So these are the sari bags that I have ordered, and I have been using for a really long time. In fact, there are some nice jute ones also I saw, but वो बहुत महंगे थे. But I've still put them because there are some on deal of the day. But and I'm sure the quality is going to be fab. Still cotton sari bags are there. I've been using this one, and it's doing good. So you can check these also out, and if you get a good price for it, just go for it. It is something which every woman needs in her wardrobe and in her life, is to put her clothes, her saris, her expensive suits in a proper bag, and this is that bag. So this is a sari bag that I'm talking about, and I have used it. You can see my sari is in it, so it looks amazing. And yeah, now let's quickly move to two more organizers I want to cover because they are my favorites also. So yes, I am going to just quickly, I'll go for this stainless steel sipper, because आपको पता है that, you know, straws, plastic, nobody is using these days. I've just highlighted it. You can just, you know, check it out. Very easy to clean. I have ordered it for my daughter and I am totally in love with it. It's a really nice sipper. It's stainless steel. You can wash it and you can reuse it. Otherwise, वो straw, you know, it's everywhere. And I think this is one of the must-haves. So I just wanted to cover it. So I've, you know, covered it for you, and it is on my list. It's also on a deal of the day. It's on 28% off and it's only for 179 rupees. So yes, now let's move ahead. Where are you, my there is this one, this cutie, this huge organizer. Oh my god, this Via Tiffin is also just in the frame and I've not spoken about it, guys. Okay, let me just finish this quickly. This is on a super discount. I got it for like 277. It is on an 82% discount. It's a huge bag for storage. Look at the size, guys. Look at the size. It's like as big as me. I have just ordered it. It's so cute. It's for my daughter's toys that I've ordered it. And it was on discount. It's really cute. She loved it. She's literally, the moment I got it, she's been lying down on it and taking it everywhere. The zip is good. ये इतना सारा स्पेस है, like literally सब कुछ संभाल सकता है इसके अंदर. ये इतना बड़ा बैग है और I think you must have it. इतना cute है ये ना. Those stats are wow. Stats are wow. Yeah, thank you. So this is really nice. And ये है. You can, it has a clipping thing also here. Oh, sorry. There is something inside it. Wait. Yeah, there is a strap also that comes with it. I'm sure Anasha has just put it somewhere and she was just literally playing with it. It's a huge bag. It's a must-have. It's on an 82% discount. Don't even think, guys. You can just put it in your cart. It's a great organizer to have. So, and it's super cute. Like, forget Anasha, forget kids. I love it. I would love to have something like this to kind of, you know, store in my extra stuff and just put it there. Instead of having things charo taraf, it's always better to kind of, you know, organize it and keep it. So this is one of those things and I am totally in love with it. Now I am going to do one unboxing before we have to end the session. Is of this, something that I've just ordered. I'm going to talk about the Skip Hop sipper and where are you, my makeup. This one, it's also on deal of the day. It's a 31% off. 700 ka tha. You can just get it for 484. Here I'm unboxing it in front of you. Look at it. Look at the shiny material. Kitna amazing hai ye. Just look at that. See. Oh, that's nice. Ye काफी cool लग रहा है मुझे. And you can even, I think, hang it. Yeah. You can hang it like this in your bathroom, and especially when you're traveling. It's great. Oh, in fact, you can detach it also. So, oh, I like it. This is a nice one. I saw the reviews and I thought it's on a great discount and great deal. So I ordered it and I'm glad I did. Let me just take out some stuff and put it in and see. Oh, should I just move to the other product? Yeah, I think it does well. Fit ho raha hai. Yeah. My brushes are fitting in. So it's a good product for me. And it's a great organizer to have. It's a no-brainer. Even when you're traveling now. Shampoo, you know, your cosmetics, your basic stuff, you can just put it in this. The small bottles will easily fit in and you'll be done with it. So yeah, this, I love the material. Just look at this. It's so nice. And the way it closes also is really nice. So yes, this is fresh makeup pouch, which I have unboxed in front of you. And I like it. I love the feel of it. It looks like good quality. So yeah, it's on deal of the day. It's on 31% off. It's a no-brainer. So let's talk about one more small little organizer that I like to keep for my daughter, for sometimes myself, is this little, I'll just pin it for you, Skip Hop Zoo Snack Up. So So usually ना बच्चे हर चीज़ों को spill कर देते हैं. So when you put snacks in it, I know it's going to rotate and it's going to fall down on the floor. So this skip up one, it's firstly very tiny. इतना छोटा है ये देख लो. It's really tiny. When I saw it, I thought थोड़ा बड़ा होगा, but ये काफ़ी छोटा है and काफ़ी cute है, and it's very good. You can just put your basic, dry snacks in here, and it's not falling down because it has this cover. So it's a great organizer again. It is something great. It's a great storage item that you should have. And now talking about storage, I'm going to straight go into my last and final storage material. It's a food storage, which is a wire. It's really cute, right? This is a set that I'm going to mark here. You guys, please check it out. I have loved it. And so has my daughter. She finds it really cute. I send it to her school sometimes, and sometimes when we are traveling. This is a tiffin set. It's on an 18% discount. It's got 4 stars. So you're doing good. This is this, and here you go. Oops. These are these really nice boxes. सारा insulated है, stainless steel है, good quality है, आराम से खुल जाता है. There is a compartment thing also there in there. So you just have to put it like this, and you can create like 2 compartments and put it like that. कभी कभी नहीं चाहिए होता है, like for rice and all, if you want to put 2 vegetables, then you can put 2, otherwise you put 1. It's a great product. See, it is expensive, but it's worth the buy. So you have 3 of these in this tiny little cute box. And also, let's not forget, यहाँ पर I think there is a little tap and release. I had got the cutleries as well. Anyways, so let me just check that out. और ये रहा. This is a cute tiffin box from Vaya, and they have a whole set. So you get this sipper also with it, which I use, which of course is something that I love. It just goes together. It goes really well. Kabhi shoot pe bhi I used to take it, and it has a glass also. So you basically put this in, and you have a glass. बहुत बार होता है ना sippers में. अरे यार खुल जा. Oops, sorry guys. I think I just closed it too tight when I was coming. Can you open it for me? So there is a glass in here, and that opens up. So it has 3 attachments. एक तो ये normal glass वाला है, उसके ऊपर then there is this new attachment that's there, and खुला just pull it. It's a little tight, just pull it. Okay guys, so that was a bummer, I'm sorry, but it's not, it's just that I have while he washed it, I think because I was using it, he put it too tight, तो वो खुल नहीं रहा मुझसे. अभी घर जाके खुलवाऊंगी. But it has a glass container, and it has a sipper which is like closed, so you can just like drink like that instead of dripping it. So this is my favorite pick. I love the product. It looks really cute. It's very quirky, and it is a must have. It also has an insulated bag. You can see the halat of the bag and know that how much of you must have used it. So it's a insulated bag that it comes in. So yeah, it has a strap as well. And there you go. And it was a nice, fun session with all of you. Thank you so much for being here. And I really enjoyed myself. Guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. Thank you so much for joining me on Amazon Live. And go check out my product list. And have a great day. Lots of love. Bye.